I'm Clare Trinder. I'm one of the lecturers in the School of Biological Sciences, and I do a lot of first and second year teaching in particular, and I'm involved in ecology and nature conservation. So our practical classes are a really important part of the teaching that we do here. Lectures, there's often, particularly in first and second year, that can be quite a big class, and that's usually somebody stood at the front, maybe engaging with the class to some extent and asking questions, but at the end of it all, it's a lot of people sat in a lecture theatre. But in our practicals, you're not just sitting being the recipient of information, you get the chance to actually figure things out for yourselves and to use materials and to look at the specimens that we have, or to do experiments, and there's no substitute for doing an experiment yourself. You can hear about it and read about it, but that is never going to be the same as actually doing it yourself and finding out how you make things how you make these things work. And the theory is fine, but what our employers are looking for in our graduates is experience, hands-on experience, that students know how to do things and actually have done them for themselves. So our practicals are a really important part of our teaching in terms of getting those hands-on skills, but they're also an opportunity for students to engage with each other, learn from each other and work in small groups, and also for us to get around and talk to students and get to know them and see what they're doing and whether it's working, and give them help and guidance. We always have a lot of postgraduates who help out in those classes, so they're there on hand to give the students guidance, and that has a completely different atmosphere from a lecture class. So they're a really important part of our teaching. We certainly couldn't be teaching biology without our practical classes.